Welcome guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how you can check your graphic card on the Windows 11. So the first we have to go for the start and we have to click with the right mouse button and then we have to select Device Manager. As you can see, that's the window that we open. Let me just zoom in right now. Yeah, that's how it looks. And to find your graphic card you have to simply go for the display adapters. And as you can see, in my case, I can find the AMD Radeon RX 6600 XT. And if you want to get more information, you can sure tap on the properties where you'll find, for example, the driver version, some kind of the details, events, and also other stuff. So yeah, as you can see, that's how you can check it on the Windows 11. That's a very simple method. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.